Hi, welcome to Archiversity online classes. In my previous lecture, I explained you how to calculate performance persistence of a particular stock for two sample time period. While making that analysis, we made an assumption that the sample should be of only two time periods, whether a previous month, or previous quarter, current quarter, or a previous year and a current year. This is one. And the second is that the number of observations should be uniform for both the time periods. That is, in a month 1, if you have 20 observations, in a month 2 also you should have 20 observations. In practice, you may not have a uniform observations for a particular time period. So in that scenario, we can use analysis of a variance to measure the performance persistence. This is one. And another is that in a paid sample 2 test, we are comparing only two samples. But in case of ANOVA, you can compare the performance persistence for more than two time periods. ANOVA is used for two or more samples. In this lecture, I'll show you how to calculate performance persistence of a stock using analysis of a variance, and that too with the help of a Excel data analysis tool pack. Once again, I insist that I am not going to explain you the formula approach. We leave the calculation part to the Excel and we focus on interpreting the result. Here are the daily return series for the 3 months, that is July, August and September. So our sample is 3, that is more than 2. Then next is that the number of observations are not uniform. In the month of July, we have 23 observations. In the month of August, 21 observations or trading days. And in the month of September, we have 19 trading days. So in this context, we use analysis of variance to compare whether the mean returns of these 3 months are same or not. The null hypothesis that we make is the mean returns for the month of July, August and September are same. And the alternate hypothesis is the mean returns are not same. At least one month may have a different mean return or average return. So to calculate our analysis of variance, click on data, then data analysis. Now here go to ANOVA single factor, then click OK, and it prompts you to give the input range. To give you input range, click on up arrow, then select all the 3 months together and see that complete data is selected. So for July month, 23 observations and September 19 observations, all are selected. Now click on down arrow, then grouped by columns because your data is in a columns. Now click on labels in a first row, as you have headers in the first row, that is July, August and September. Now click on output range, click the up arrow, then select the cell H2, then click down arrow, click OK. Now we format this. Format the numbers, 3 decimal values. Now here is the analysis. For the July month, the count is 22 days, August 20, September 18. And the average is negative for all the 3 months. That is, all these 3 months gave you a negative returns or the losses. And the variance is uniform, that is 0.00 for all the 3 months. And now the analysis of variance, you have to look at the p-value first. So the interpretation that we are going to make is if p-value is greater than 0.05, that is our significance level, then we accept the null hypothesis. In the sense, the mean returns for the month of July, August and September are same. If your power value is less than 0.05, then we fail to accept the null hypothesis and says that the mean return for July, August and September are different. But now here your p-value, which is 0.769, we accept the null hypothesis and says that the mean returns for the month of July, August, September are same. Another way is looking at the f value. So if f value is low, then we accept the null hypothesis. If f value is very high, then we fail to accept the null hypothesis. Now this is another way to measure the performance persistence of a particular stock for a different time periods. Now what this indicates is, on an average, the Hindustan Petroleum stock is performing uniformly across the months. That means the returns may in sometimes it is a high low, but when it comes to the average is same for the past 3 months. Thank you for watching the video.